So today I'm doing my first ever Q&A. Okay, first question. How do you balance YouTube and school? And how does your normal day looks like? Okay, I wake up at 7:59 a.m. to join my class, which starts at 8 a.m. Hi, teacher. Then I wake up again at 9 a.m. Bye, teacher. I do all the hygiene stuff you're supposed to do, and then I join my other classes. Hi, teacher. At 11 a.m. I have a break where I draw, and then I have school until 3 p.m. After that, I eat and take a 15-minute nap. At 4 a.m. I have to exercise because I'm in the swimming team. Then I walk my dogs and I take a shower. From 6 to 11 p.m. I draw and work on videos. Then I do my homework that's due to 11:59 p.m. From 0 a.m. to 3 a.m. I draw and then I go to sleep. Okay, this is a good one. What's your dog's name and how old is he?
Praise be to the God above at the night.
I have two crazy doggos. This one is called Lola, aka Lovuki. And the other one is called Penelope. Lola is 1 year old and she likes to bite me and my Crocs. And Penelope is 8 year old and she likes to bite Lola. Okay, next question. Best way to come up with doodle ideas. Love your work, bro. I like to draw random stuff on the hardcore sketchbook before making a doodle. This helps me to come up with new doodles and character designs. I also get a lot of my ideas from movies, TV shows, other artist art, and random stuff that happens during the day. Instagram and Pinterest are also great sources of inspiration for my art. Oh yeah! Does your family support you with YouTube? I'm sure your dad does. He's epic. Yeah, my mom got me my first 3 copics when I started taking art seriously 4 years ago, and she still helps me with the production of the videos and the art. My dad also helps me answering emails, giving me video ideas.
What about surprising that with a custom Xbox?
Yeah. Coming with me to shoot the videos, doing business calls, and making sure I don't post dumb stuff on Instagram or YouTube. So yeah, they both support me. Another question, filming skills, filming inspirations. I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials and online classes to learn and improve my filming skills. I also like to try new things to make my videos more interesting and cinematic. I get most of my filming inspiration from cool movies, music videos, and YouTubers I like. I'll link some of them in the description below so you can check them out. What camera gear do you use? To film my videos I use a Sony a7 III with a 28 to 75mm f2.8 camera lens, and it's delicious as f. Yeah. I also attached a monitor to see what I'm filming and a small microphone to record my sexy voice. But you don't need an expensive camera to start making videos. Just grab your phone and use it to film. That's what I used to do before I got a camera. Okay, next question. When will you do a room tour video? Let's do it right now. Okay, welcome to my room.
I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. I'm just.
This is my room. It's not that big, but it gets the job done. Over here we have some art. This is a print of one of my drawings, the how to draw like a pro piece, a print from my good friend Bex, and the crayon drawing. On this side is the basketball thing that I don't use anymore because I lost the ball. And over here we have the drawing area.
Type of gratitude, don't be sour.
Here is my good desk, my markers, my computer that I used to... Here I have my sketch. And on the left we can see my YouTube plaques. And next to the drawing area is the editing area. On this side is my monitor, my computer, and as you can see we have really good cable management. Next to the editing area is this wall where I have some skateboards I painted some months ago, my canvas, and my goat drawing. This is my SpongeBob cereal, my Rubik's Cube that I don't use anymore because I forgot how to solve it, my iPad where I draw sometimes, here are my socks, and my underwear that I don't really use. On this side are displayed more pieces of art. Here's my self-portrait, my Patrick drawing, and another print. Here are my goals for this year. So please subscribe and help me reach my goals. That will be really cool. And down here we have my bed. On my bed I sleep, and that's pretty much it. Okay, I got this one a lot. Where did you learn how to edit and how do you edit your videos? To edit my videos I use Adobe Premiere Pro and I learned everything I know about editing from YouTube tutorials and online classes on Skillshare. If you didn't already know, Skillshare is an online learning community where millions come together to take their creative journey to the next level. Editing, painting, animating, cooking, photography, filmmaking. Wanna become a pro? Go to Skillshare. Julian Klepper editing and filmmaking class helped me a lot to take my videos to the next level. As you may have already noticed, lately I have been adding new things to my videos that make them look way more delicious. And this is mainly thanks to stuff I learned in this and other Skillshare classes. Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, meaning that there are no ads so you can stay focused on pursuing your passion. And Skillshare is also affordable as fuck. You can get an annual subscription for less than $10 a month. Make 2021 a great year. Get inspired, have fun, and become a pro on whatever you want to learn with Skillshare. And the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial of Skillshare's premium membership. Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Okay, the first thing that I do once I start editing is adding music. Music is the base of all my videos, so having an epic song is really important to me. Then I add my footage and place it where it needs to be. I do some cuts with the rhythm of the music, and once that's done, I do the juicy part, adding text and transitions. Here is where the magic happens. I add zoom ins, zoom outs, crazy overlays, I clone myself and add the crazy transitions that you see in all of my videos. After that I add my sexy voice, text and sometimes captions. But we're not done yet. Something that takes your videos to the next level is sound design and color grading. So to finish I download and make a bunch of sound effects to add to my video. Then I color grade it and post it to YouTube. This whole process takes me around 60 to 80 hours to finish, but it's totally worth it.